Hi, my name is Marge D. Swansea. I'm a housewife and an entrepreneur. I'm here because I wanted to see for myself the expertise of Dr. Contessa. Just a couple of days ago, I was in an event and I saw a friend of mine and I was just so impressed. I thought, something is different about her. I cannot pinpoint what it is, but she certainly looks very, very beautiful. So I pulled her on the side and I asked her, hey, what did you do? You're so beautiful. I can't pinpoint something that on your face, but it's just your total look is just amazing. And then she shared me her secret, and it's Dr. Contessa. So I thought, perhaps you can take me to her. I'm really curious, so here I am. Dr. Contessa's clinic, and we'll see later what she can do, and I'm sure she will do a good job as well.
A very good day mga ka-CSA! Welcome to the Certified Skin Authority. I'm Dr. Contessa, your certified aesthetic physician here at CSA Medical Aesthetics. In today's episode, we have a special topic. It's the nose enhancement and also some face rejuvenation. Together with us, a very first time guest of CSA, let us all welcome Miss Margie Dizon. Welcome, Ma'am Margie.
Thank you so much, Dr. Contessa. I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, we're also happy that we have you with us. And Miss Margie is originally Kapampangan, tama?
Yes.
Wow.
My father comes from Santa Ana, and I still have quite a few relatives here actually.
Yan. Kaya tingnan naman po natin, magandang Kapampangan si Ma'am Margie. Right.
Thank you.
And Ma'am Margie kasi, she's sharing with us na, yun nga, may nakita siya na we did a client of ours and nakita niya yung result. And nainganyo siya na pumunta sa CSA. Why wouldn't you tell our televiewers? Ano ba yung mga
yes, of course.
na-impress ka?
I was in an event and I saw someone that I know, and when I saw her, I thought, wow, she looks so different. She looks beautiful.
Yes.
I mean, she's already beautiful
Yes.
before, but when I saw her, I thought she's
biglang blooming.
beautiful now. But there's something different. There's something in her now. I can't just
really
pinpoint what it
exactly
is.
Kung ano.
Kung ano yun.
Yes,
So, I pulled her on the side and I asked her, what did you do?
Yes.
Please share me your secret.
Okay. So what did she say?
She says, well, I only have one thing to say. Thank you to Dr. Contessa. I said, Dr. Contessa,
Salamat
you
po.
must take me to her.
Did she tell you about what was the procedure?
Well, you know, she was explaining to me, but
Yeah.
somehow I couldn't really understand what it was.
Yeah.
No? But whatever it was, it did wonders to her.
I'm so happy about that. Salamat naman po. Ayan. Kaya po, actually, the procedures that we do mostly talaga sa CSA Derm Center, we have lots of patients coming from abroad, is most of the non-surgical enhancements sa nose, sa face, even around the eye area. So, nakikita nila yung mga results ng gawa namin na yung comment nila lagi, yung may nagbago sa'yo, pero hindi namin masabi, alin yung ginawa mo. Ba't parang gumaganda ka lalo? Maganda ka lalo, gumaganda pa lalo. it's more of the natural result and we don't want you to be artificial looking.
Yes,
Yun nga.
yes.
Yung mga techniques or procedures na ini-enhance mo, for example, yung ganda ng ilong, yung ganda ng mata, yung ganda ng labi, ini-emphasize lang natin with these non-surgical techniques. And Miss Marge kasi, bata pa si Ma'am Marge. How young? Ilang taon na? Nasa anong age na ba?
Well, below 50.
O, yun. So, bata pa po tayo, okay? So, sa kanya kasi, she's so beautiful, okay? Emphasize natin yung beauty ng kanyang face. Actually, the center area, ito, ang nagbibigay ng malaking impact sa ganda ng mukha. We always say, attraction key points of the face, ayan, yung mata, ilong, labi, kasama yung cheeks and chin. So, attraction key points. So, ilabas lalo natin yung ganda. So, in terms of her, sa center area, pwede tayong mag-enhancement sa nose area, okay? Pwede nating bigyan ng mga dermal filler injections, natural way, natural substance, and also yung dito natin, the deep creases here, we can do this one, rejuvenation procedures. We can make use of our dermal fillers and at the same time, mga prevention treatments para maiwasan yung pagsag ng face, we can do Ulthera. Okay, for skin tightening, firming, lifting, pulling, and of course, lalong ma-maintain yung natural contour ng kanyang face. So what do you say about that, Margie?
I can't wait. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Pero do you have any like in the past na procedure na ginawa sa face?
One thing with me kasi is I'm really well, you can say I'm afraid of the invasive surgeries.
Yes.
I would rather not have them. I would rather have non-invasive.
Yes, correct.
Because who wants to be under the knife if it's not
Correct,
necessary, right?
Ako nga rin, Margie, ayoko nga rin magpahiwa eh. Even if they
Exactly.
offer me na, even my best friends na mga plastic surgeons who are so good, libre na lahat.
Exactly.
Please don't do surgery.
So I just want a non-invasive.
Non-invasive, yes.
That will just enhance my look.
Right, yes.
Just give me a lift, you
Yes.
know, that you can say, oh, maybe she had a facelift, but really,
They can't really-
you can't tell.
Yes, you can't tell.
And one
Right.
thing is you didn't have to go through all that surgery, going
And
under
long
the
recovery
knife,
time.
and the downtime.
Yes.
You know, because all of
So
us were all
swollen.
busy, right?
Right, yes.
So you don't want to miss out on just
Yes.
staying at home, staying
Yes.
for a week.
Right.
Diba? If it's not necessary.
Buti na lang meron na tayong mga lunchtime treatments ngayon. So, ating ipakita ang non-surgical, non-invasive procedure for Miss Margie sa pagbabalik ng CSA Certified Skin Authority. And we're back mga ka-CSA. So, we'll show you the actual procedure for our enhancement sa ating nasal area for Ma'am Margie. Okay, so si Ma'am Margie po, she has a beautiful face. So whenever we do nasal enhancement, gusto natin balance, proportionate, right amount, right height, right shape. Yan. And it is still you, right Margie? So yun lang po yung gusto ni Ma'am Margie. Desire lang niya, enhance lang. Hindi naman yung mag-alter yung kanyang looks, yung kanyang face. Okay, excited na po, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So, kanina we have applied topical cream, yung pampamanhid, the EMLA, dito sa nasal tip. And we also applied topical anesthetic cream po sa mid-face to lower face for our Ultherapy. So, right now, we'll be starting with the nasal enhancement. So, we'll be using nose filler, our hyaluronic filler. And we'll also add na rin yung ating sa forehead kasi. We'll correct it with our injection ng Botox. And then, dun sa final na procedure, yung ating Botox face mask. Okay. So, we start with injection of the lidocaine. Okay. So, Ma'am Margie kasi, of course, most of us naman talaga, we have some fears with needles, right? And we totally understand that po. So, we'll be very, very gentle and very careful and so slow, okay? I'll pinch lang po yung tip ng ating nose, okay? And this is a lidocaine. So, this is just a tiny needle po. Okay. Pasok lang po ng konti and then a little bit of a lidocaine. Okay. So, this is to numb the tip. Okay, so numb na po siya. Okay lang po, Ma'am Margie? Yan, okay lang. Yes po. Naiintindihan ko po yan kasi kami nga, ako rin nga, syempre pagdating sa needle, we still have that apprehension or fear. So as much as possible, we're very careful po, Ma'am Marge. Okay po. So we need a single point of entry lang po dun sa infratip area, maliit lang. Okay? So we need a tiny opening here. Gentle lang po ako kay Ma'am Marge. Okay po. So there you go. And then, I'm using right now Juvederm Ultra Plus Hyaluronic Filler for our nose enhancement. So again, this is a natural substance we find in our system. It's very safe. It is US FDA approved. Ang ating Juvederm Ultra Plus. And the technique is making use of a cannula. And it will be a linear retrograde technique. Okay, I made a point of entry po kanina, and then that point of entry, dyan tayo mag-enter po. So this is just a cannula. I'll be very soft, gentle for Margie. So sometimes nafe-feel lang pag andun na sa tinatawag na rhinion. That's the connection between the nasal bone and the nasal cartilage. So ating dadaanan po yon. Inhale, exhale. I'll pinch the nose. So we can already push our filler. So ang ating filler also has a lidocaine with it. Okay? So once we push it, it further numbs inside. Meron po tayong nararamdaman na feeling in effect. Yan po. Nag-feel in lang po siya. This is an instant nose lift. So si Ma'am Margie only wants minimal enhancement, not so drastic. You just want to enhance. So in a little while, lalo pa pong nagnanab yung ating nose. Okay. That's minimal first. Little by little lang po. So we don't need to be very drastic. Yan. Okay lang po, ma'am?
Yeah.
So we have done some bridge elevation, bridge enhancement. So na-feel nyo po na meron ng substance inside. Now we wanted to also correct some of the parang minor scoop dito.
Yeah.
Dito sa gitna. We
Yeah.
can, yes.
Push it up.
Yes, we can push that up a bit. Okay, just a little bit. So actually, the good thing with the filler, these are viscous gel. Okay, pwede natin silang ma-press on the side to follow the contour of the nose. So this is just nose contouring.
Yeah.
So we need to inject a little bit here. Okay. Actually, I'll be doing nose reshaping na rin.
Okay.
I wanted to bring out yung tinatawag na columella ni ma'am. So I'll still need to give her elevation dito sa columella. Okay, using again the Juvederm dermal filler, our hyaluronic filler. So close eyes lang po, ma'am. Okay. So entering again. So same point of entry. So I just need to correct yung parang scoop doon. So I'll use the same point of entry. Numb na rin po yung nasal tissue because of the lidocaine. So you know something is going inside, but so far we're comfortable. Okay lang ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So I wanted to correct that parang minimal scoop. So push lang a bit of the filler on that side. Yan. To correct that, some depression there. Slight depression. Okay. So far so good lang po. Just elevate a bit. Okay, towards that side there. This is a substance that is hydrophilic. It absorbs water. So it's good for also hydration aside from volume and filling in and contouring. Okay. So we're very, very gentle po kay Marge. Dahil nga, Marge really is not used to procedures na may injection. Yun nga, as much as possible, we want yung mga non-invasive non-invasive procedures. Okay. Pero this one, tolerable naman po, no, Ma'am Margie? Tolerable,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So far, so good. Kayang-kaya pa
Okay.
naman. Yeah. Now, this one po, we need to have this be projected a little bit. Maganda na rin yung projection. Minimal projection lang. So, we'll fill in lang ng konti ang tinatawag na columella. Point of entry. Gentle lang po. So, for the tip enhancement lang. So, a little bit of injection here and inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale lang. Okay, push a little bit of a filler. Yan, din. Just a little bit. You feel like there's something going in. Into the nasal spine. Just a little bit. Slowly. Okay. Just a minimal enhancement lang po. Yan. So far, so good.
I have a bridge, right?
Yes po. So there's a bridge enhancement and also the nasal tip enhancement at the same time. So just a tiny injection point. Minimal. Okay. Yan po. So far, so good. And you feel na parang it's lifted already. Ano pong pakiramdam, Ma'am Marge? Okay lang? So far, okay lang?
Okay naman.
Yes.
Mas masakit pa
Okay.
yung...
So, mas masakit pa ang alin. Some of the procedures like dental. Yeah. So, we've done a nasal enhancement muna. Okay. So, ating ipagpapatuloy ang next procedure sa pagbabalik ng CSA Certified Skin Authority. So, we're back mga ka-CSA. We are now at the final procedure, the so-called Ulthera, the treatment for the mid to lower third. Ito po yung skin tightening, lifting, firming, at the same time po contouring the face. Okay, so para rin po ma-prevent natin yung pagsag dito sa area na to. Okay, making use of the Ulthera. So, this is our handpiece here. Okay, shot lang po dito sa area kung saan po sundan namin yung may markings. Okay, we'll give you one shot here. Okay. So, there's a sensation ng pricking-like sensation lang po. Pero tolerable naman po. You feel it inside. Okay po. So, we'll do some 10 shots on this side. Yan. Okay. Some part lang na final lang na nararamdaman, but it's okay. So, it's going into the deeper tissues. It's targeting po. Pwede po yung mga fat compartments to make them slimmer, and at the same time po, it has collagen stimulation din po. So, this is another non-invasive, non-surgical procedure for face rejuvenation. Ayan, nakakayanan na ni Ma'am Margie. So, sa una parang nagugulat lang po yung sensation, but then in a little while parang okay na. Ayan, you're getting used to it. Okay po. So, we are on the right side. So, a while ago, we did the nasal enhancement, making use of our Juvederm Ultra Plus, and we did Botox on the forehead area. Kasi napansin ko rin yung mga fine lines sa forehead ni Margie. So, we wanted to correct that. Of course, magbibigay tayo talaga ng full rejuvenation. Right, ma'am? Para patuloy-tuloy na yung ating pagpaparejuvenate. So, I still have 2 more shots here. Okay, so this is the so-called Ultherapy or the high-intensity focused ultrasound. So, we'll proceed to dun sa left side po. So, Miss Jen will continue with the Ulthera shots on the left area. And while she's doing that, I can do ice compress na po here. So we have done the right side Ultherapy. Okay, so we proceed with our left side. So Miss Jen is doing the Ulthera for our left side of the face. Miss Jen here is one of our certified Ultherapy providers. She was well trained, she's certified. So ang kanyang certification pa, doctors from Singapore. Okay, so we only give po here, may mga therapists and facialists po kami that are certified, trained. Yan po. And they know what they're doing. So yun po yung mahalaga. So you only have to go to clinics or centers, providers who are trained, who are certified, and they know what they're doing, okay, for safety purposes po. So, ingat-ingat din po tayo for those who are claiming they have Ultherapy, but it's not the real, the authentic Ulthera, okay? Kasi we have found out that there are other centers saying they have Ulthera, but it's not the original Ulthera machine. So, you have to check for the seal of authenticity po. So, CSA Derm Centre is one of the centers in the Philippines who has the authentic Ultherapy machine. Okay, so we're doing 20 shots, so we need 3 shots more. And in a little while, we'll show Miss Margie the outcome of the nasal enhancement we did on her. Kasi kanina she has some apprehensions. Of course, she could have seen it dun sa kanyang mga friends, but it's different when you go through the procedure. Hindi mo kasi alam how it's being done. So right now she had the experience and she will share with us how was it, and ating ipapakita ang result. So we have done the Ultherapy treatment, the nasal enhancement, and Botox for the forehead area. So we'll show Miss Margie the result of our procedures. Here's our mirror. Okay, Miss Margie, she's nervous. She's nervous now. Okay, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, well, how was it?
Oh my God.
Yeah, look at that.
It's not artificial.
Look, it's just natural. It's enhanced. Yes. Oh, speechless. She can't even say a word. Okay. So, yeah. A while ago kasi she has apprehensions. Yes, that it could be very red or parang bruised or parang swollen. But look at her. She's, wow. Even her eyes are glowing. Her face, look at her face. Looks younger. So we did a while ago Botox here. Okay. And then we did the Juvederm Ultra Plus nose filler. So that's the nose filler. Yan. And then we did some Ulthera already. Okay. So, the filler is inside the midline dorsum of the nose, okay? Ang mga fillers naman na to, they can stay inside for a period of, well, we say always 12 months but it depends also sa ating environment, sa metabolism ng katawan mo, sa lifestyle mo. For some of my patients, it can even be longer. So, we did only nose filler for Miss Margie, okay? She just wanted a natural result, an instant nose lift na walang downtime, and she has an event, and here's the outcome po. So we only have tiny injection in the tip, okay? So wala tayong maraming mga pokings or wala tayong maraming tusok-tusok sa kanyang nose area. So this is the outcome po. So actually she still has some meetings or events, and she only wanted something subtle, something natural, something na it's still her. Okay. So any message po sa ating audience, sa ating viewers po?
I can't believe it. I mean, it's like magic.
Yes.
You know how much time I spend trying to contour and trying to put trying to darken this
Yes,
area
sides.
just
Yes.
so it will
Look
look
pointy.
pointy and
Yes.
and it will look like there is a bridge. But
Right now,
now
you have a bridge?
I wake up in the morning looking like this.
Yes.
Right? This
So
is how I
happy.
woke up.
Yes. So
Diba?
happy about that.
Very
Yes.
happy.
And we're glad about it po.
Thank you,
Yan.
Doktora.
Para wala nang effort masyado sa nose line, nose contouring, yan. And so tamang-tama when you have your event. So this is the one we have. It's natural. not so
Thank you, thank
drastic.
you, thank you, thank you.
You're
Okay.
welcome po. And thank you so much for being with us, sharing with us, and of course, joining our episode for today. And our viewers are so happy to have you po, and also share with them your experience nga po. And kasi kanina takot na takot talaga si
Kasi I'm
Marge.
so afraid of needles.
She was so scared with the needles, but look at now. Parang nawala bigla yung yung fear ng needles. Parang biglang okay.
No, but you have
Gusto ko.
she has very, very light hands.
Thank you. Thank
You know,
ma'am.
there's so many doctors. The moment you can feel their
Yes.
hand touch your skin.
Oh, yeah.
It's very heavy,
Okay
but
pa.
it's like there's nothing.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Thank you so much po.
Wow.
Pleasure po. Okay, appreciate
Thank you.
everything. Thank you, Margie.
Okay.
We love to have you again in our next
Oh my God.
episodes. Thank you to my CSA staff assistants.
Thank you to Pinky
Yes.
and thank you to
Yes.
Kathy.
Sa kanyang mga friends po na nakita naman
Yes.
yan yung outcome ng aming procedure sa kanila. O yan mga ka-CSA, meron na naman tayong natunghayan na nose enhancement sa ating episode today. Kung meron po kayong katanungan, you may email me at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com. Our clinic is located here at the CSA Derm Centre, Pure Dau Building, 2nd floor, Dau MacArthur Highway, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Our contact number is 045-331-1117 or 0933-860-9193. Or you may also reach me at my FB page, CSA Derm Centre, or FB Messenger, Contessa Salvador Alapag, and Instagram. And also, patuloy nyo na rin pong subaybayan ang aming mga videos, episodes namin sa aming YouTube channel. Only type Contessa Salvador. And please do not forget to click like and subscribe as well. Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am Margie, thank you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank
Excited.
you, thank you very much.
Okay. So mga ka-CSA, God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Certified Skin Authority.